guys, again I am back. So today, guys, we had sort of a little incident. My mom's car won't start. So yeah, they're getting a tow truck. Mow it. Tow it.
Jump started.
The jump started.
It's a bullet.
How would I introduce it to my mom? So this is my mom.
Okay, now get me out.
Yeah, she doesn't like to be shown on YouTube without her makeup. Is that so?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's like that. So yeah, she has to jump started. Again, I'll be posting videos throughout the day. So I usually post like 4. And I hope you guys liked my bouncy one last time. Did you guys like the music? And I think you guys would. I think I had perfect music. So yeah, I will see you throughout the day. I'll be posting more videos. Bye!